Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is Reema Faisal here. Today is your English class time for class 6, week number 4, dated 20 July till 24 July. Here we go. Our duty to our flag. Lesson number 1 by Albert Guest. Here is the poem. We shall read and discuss what is in the poem in our previous class work. For the poem description, please see our video week number 3 assignment 1. Assignment number 1. In this we shall discuss question answers, filling the blanks, true false and word sentences. Objectives. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to write question answers, to do filling the blanks in true false and make sentences of difficult words. Question answers. Question number 1. Who wrote the poem Our Duty to Our Flag? The poem Our Duty to Our Flag is written by Albert Guest. What is meant by less hate and greed? We should not hate each other, neither should we have greed. What does our national flag symbolize? Our national flag symbolizes pride and strength of our country. What is the theme of the poem? Its theme is love and loyalty to our country. How can you serve your country to raise its flag? We should be united in all circumstances and serve our country so that our flag may rise. Filling the blanks. You have to do filling the blanks. All red line words are the blanks. You have to copy in the same manner. Number 1. The poem Our Duty to Our Flag was published in January 1922. We should love our country and our flag. Respect our flag. A flag provides a specific identity to our nation. We should not each other, hate each other. We should always be united. Question number 3. Do complete the given gap summary of the poem Our Duty to Our Flag using the given clues. Fight, patriotism, flag, loyal, success. The poet showed his feelings of patriotism. The poem is about the country's flag and its importance. Our flag is our identification of success and fall. The more we are loyal to our country, the more we raise our flag. We should never fight with each other, and because it will not help us to develop as a nation. True false. This poem is written by Elsa Kazi. False. Albert was born in America. True. Poem Our Duty to Our Flag was published in February. False. We should always be loyal to our country. True. We should hate our country and its flag. False. Make sentences. You have to make the sentences of the following words. Hate. We should not hate each other. Flag. Our flag is our identification of success. Respect. We should respect our parents. Foe. He is my foe. Attention. The teacher wanted the full attention of the students. Homework time. Students, you have to copy down the question answer in your copy from slide 8. Similarly, filling the blanks in your copy from slide 9 10th, and true false from slide number 11, and word sentences from slide number 12. Here is a reminder for you. The copies will be submitted for checking on Friday 24 July and check copies will be returned on Monday 27 July. Office timing will be 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. So don't forget to submit your copies. Thank you students for watching this video. Kindly like and share this video. Also subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming learning videos. Allah Hafiz.